Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So I saw a story earlier today, and I wanted to make a video about this because I am just shocked, absolutely shocked. Um, and all credit for this goes to Coupons in the News, which is a blog. I will link this specific story in the notes. I would recommend do not take it from my mouth or this video. Go and read the article. Spend 10 minutes if you can, because this one is quite shocking. P&G will be retiring their Brand Saver coupon inserts. That includes that wonderful monthly coupon book. You know, it has Tide, all that stuff. Some regions have Tide, some regions don't have Tide, but sometimes there's some ringer coupons in there that are really fantastic. There's going to be one more run of this on New Year's weekend, and that will be the January book, and then lights out, no more. Read the article for more details. So I am shocked by this news. I know that a lot of people, even like seniors who just like get that coupon booklet at the beginning of the month and then go get like their Tide, their Dawn, this and that, like people that are not into digital couponing, like this is a pretty significant 1-2 punch. The article says they actually speak to a spokesperson from P&G, and they say that they want people to move more towards digital or to go to that site P&G Good every day and print out coupons and bring it to the store and get yelled at, I guess. And half of the time I can't even get those coupons to print. So I'm not sure what's going to happen. I think for somebody like me, it's going to be 100% digital coupons. If you look how I shop at Walgreens, it's 100% digital coupons. I do not touch or mess those insert coupons over at Walgreens because it's always a problem. They're easier to use at like a Rite Aid, but even at Dollar General, they take it up, put it against the light. They give you the hardest time, even though it's from the Sunday newspaper. So I can only surmise P&G, probably less people are buying newspapers. So who knows how many of these inserts are actually ending up in a landfill, or just looking at the books, the cost to print the insert is probably a lot more than the fact that everybody now has, smartphones with the different apps for the different stores with the different coupons on it. So this is just really somewhat shocking. I'm surprised, guys, too, just like you, and it's really something. So yeah, I absolutely recommend for you to read the article. If you follow my page or even watch my Sunday coupon hauls over at Walgreens, at the beginning of the month, I'm always like, I used a registered reward to get 4 of these P&G savers. I would always do that, or always try to stock up on a couple, because there was always some sort of like deal at like a Rite Aid with these sort of coupons that you could make a deal happen. Even we wouldn't get Tide coupons here locally, but there was other coupons that you could make something happen with it. So I am just really, really surprised by this. I know a lot of you are going to have probably really angry about this. A lot of you that are digital couponers or do like Target couponing with digitals only, or Dollar General digital only, Walgreens digital only, this isn't going to affect you. You probably haven't bought the P&G insert in a really long time, and maybe they just looked at the numbers and they're like, it's cheaper for us to go with digital couponing than this way. But those of us that did get a couple inserts and did do a couple deals at like say a Rite Aid, where the coupon scan, that's going to be a thing of the past. So I am so surprised by this news today. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.